Kumusta naman po ang araw mo? Kung ako naman ang tatanungin mo, well, okay naman ako sa mga oras na ito. Alam mo ba, mahilig talaga ako mag-unwind sa gabi. Hindi ko alam, sobrang nare-relax lang talaga ako. Napakalamig ng hangin and then ang ganda ng paligid. Tingnan niyo oh. Kumain ka na ba? Kain tayo. As usual, hindi talaga nawawala ang siomay. Alam mo na, ito po ang aking favorite talaga. Sobrang paborito ko ito. So yummy. O diba, and then may barbecue pa. When life seems unfair and clueless, stop overthinking and worrying. Why? We are all temporary inhabitants in this world. Do you agree? To all the people out there, enjoy the present, forget the past, and welcome the future with a brave and resilient heart. It's a simple reminder from yours truly. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.